How to use Hawaiian Airlines World Elite Mastercard rewards. If you have the Hawaiian Airlines World Elite Mastercard, you can earn and redeem miles easily. Here's how to do it. First, you can use your card to earn 3 times miles on Hawaiian Airlines purchase, 2 times miles at gas stations, dining and grocery stores, and 1 times miles on all purchases. Next, you can check your Hawaiian Miles balance by logging into your Hawaiian Airlines account. Go ahead and tap on the login button and then log into your account. Under Hawaiian Miles dashboard, you'll see your current total and recent activity. Once you have enough miles, you can visit redeem OR flights to book main cabin, first, or even business class tickets on Hawaiian or partner airlines anytime. There are no blackout dates and fares as low as 7,500 miles one way within Hawaii and to 20,000 miles to the west coast. You can also upgrade your seat using the miles during booking. Choose the upgrade option in your reservation flow. If you're not ready to fly, you can use your miles for rental cars, partner hotels, or gift cards. For example, you can get 5,000 miles. That's up to $25 worth of gift card at selected partners. So these are some of the things that you can get to use Hawaiian Airlines Mastercard rewards. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.